Okay, we have another unboxing video. This is from the Rock Shed, and we ordered some howlite. Kind of see how that showed up. We have a little bit larger howlite, so it gives us like 4 pounds of it. Then we have 2 pounds of red tiger's eye. Here's 1 pound of blue tiger's eye. Here's the other pound, so we got 2 pounds of each, I think. And then this should be golden, and 2 pounds of golden tiger eye. So that's all that came in this order, along with our Tootsie Rolls. Thanks, Sean. So now we're going to rinse them off and see how much different they look, and then put them in containers until we're ready to tumble them. Alright, let's see. Let's start with the howlite. Should have brought my tripod out here. Okay. Oh my. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, here's the rough howlite. Let's set it down here and let's rinse it off. See, as we rinse it off, you're seeing a lot of the gray streaks that are in it. We just want to get the rock dust off because, you know, we don't need to be breathing all that stuff. Ooh. Look at how lovely these are now. And they're not even polished. So I kind of can't wait. See, we have some little breakage already just from the trip here. Ooh, look at this one. Wow. Okay, let's open up the tiger's eye and see what we've got there. Here we have the dirty rough of the blue tiger's eye. This is going to be so interesting. Look at that. Okay, now we're going to rinse it off. Grab the hose. Kind of awkward one-handed, I apologize. This is 2 pounds. These are really large pieces. I may or may not crack it down. More than likely not. Maybe just 1 or 2 of the pieces. Okay. Look at that. Holy cow. Okay, let's open the red. Okay, red tiger's eye. From what I've been told, this does not occur naturally in the world. It's been heat treated. So you can see the heat treatment didn't really go all the way through this particular rock. So I'm very interested to see what it's going to turn out like. Oh my goodness. Now this is really dirty. So let's get our water on it here. This is gonna make a heat. Oh my gosh, look at it sparkle. We're gonna get all the rock dust off of it. Off my hand. Well, didn't really get a lot of it. It kind of dyed my hand a little. But look, oh goodness, look at that. I cannot wait to tumble this. This is amazing. Look at the beauty in that. Okay. Wow. Alright, let's grab a container. They're just little, you know, inexpensive, you know, Rubbermaid containers. You know, you can use any brand you want. I'm not getting paid to promote Rubbermaid. But, so then I just, you know, set these up and I label it. And with the Mohs hardness so that I know what I'm doing here. I'm going to put these little tiny chips in here as well, because I'm going to do something else with those. With essential oils for a girlfriend of mine. So yeah. So this will sit on the shelf until we have a barrel open. Okay, let's get to the golden tiger eye. Be right back. Here's the golden tiger's eye. Ooh. Wow. Again, it's dirty, so let's clean our hands off here. Wow, look at the difference. I love to look at the stuff wet. It's just gorgeous beyond words. Wow, look at that chunk. Damn. Excuse my language, but holy cow, this is breathtaking. Wow. I could look at these all day. I may just. Okay, let's box it up or get it in a container and then get them labeled. Alrighty, see you next time we have an unboxing.